नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर शास्त्री बुधौलिया आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं एवरेज नंबर 71 to 82। Now, 71 efforts. 3 points necessary for curing disease or 3 points necessary for cure. First, knowledge of disease. Second, knowledge of medicine. Third, most suitable method of employing medicine. Now, 72 aphorism. Acute diseases or general survey of disease, acute and chronic. Acute diseases, rapid morbid process of abnormally changed vital force, or chronic diseases, small often imperceptible beginning, causes gradually deviation from the healthy condition. Now, 73 type of acute diseases or classification of acute diseases. Individual attacks human being individually, occurs due to transient explosion of latent sora. Sporadic attacks several persons same time here and there, caused by meteoric and telluric influences. Now, epidemic attacks several persons with similar suffering from same cause. Calamities of war, inundations and famine of causes of epidemic diseases. Now, footnote first. Homeopathic physician does not ascertain the various kind of fever, gold fever, bilious fever, typhus fever by their name, but they treat according to their peculiarities. Footnote number 7. Purpura malariasis, sporadic disease or prophylactic and curative is aconite or preventive medicine is aconite. Scarlet fever, epidemic disease, prophylactic and curative by belladonna. Purpura malariasis and scarlet fever occasionally joined and form the eruptive fever, and aconite and belladonna are not exactly homeopathic. Now, 74 artificial chronic disease. Artificial chronic disease is produced by the allopathic treatment by prolonged use of violent heroic medicine in large increasing doses, from abuse of calomel, foxglove, opium, valerian, quinine, sulfur. Organic changes may develop in interior or exterior of organism. Footnote first. In a healthy woman, only possible plethora occurs several days before her menses, and it feels a fullness of womb and breast, but without inflammation. 6. Now, footnote 2. 74 aphorism. Brassiu method of treatment, Beneskesson and hunger diet. Principles of Brassiu method. Most and indeed all diseases depend on the local inflammation. Now, 75. Artificial chronic disease produced by the allopathic non-healing art are most deplorable, most incurable. 76. Treatment of artificial chronic disease. Footnote. If the patient at last dies this artificial chronic disease, the patient at the post-mortem examination pointed out the integral organic changes. 77. Inappropriate name chronic disease or pseudo chronic disease. 78. True chronic diseases arises from chronic miasm. Footnote: during the youth, and flourishing year. These affections received by infection and inheritance seems to wholly disappear. 79. Till now, syphilis alone was known as chronic miasmatic disease, which, when uncertain, uncured cases with terminal or termination of life. Psychosis, the condylomatous disease, is also a chronic miasmatic disease. 80. Incalculably greater and more important than two chronic miasm is the chronic miasm of Sura. Primary symptoms of syphilis is brindle canker. Primary symptom of psychosis is cauliflower-like growth, and primary symptom of Sura equal to few vesicle accompanied by intolerable bulbous tickling, itching in the peculiar order. Sura is only fundamental cause and producer of all innumerable forms of chronic disease. Footnote: Hahnemann spent 12 years in investigating sources of chronic disease and discovered the antisocial remedy. He published a book, Chronic Diseases. First edition, Chronic Disease, in fourth volume, published by Dresden Arnold of Dresden, and second volume by Dusseldorf Schaff. 81. Sura is ancient infecting agent, has passed hundreds of generations through millions of human beings, produce innumerable varieties of defect or secondary symptoms of Sura. Development of Sura. Footnote: Causes that transform Sura into chronic disease. Neglected, delayed and excessive abuse of physical, mental and training of youth, diet, regimen, passion, etc. Footnote number 7. Saddam alone perceived this before Hahnemann. What? It is useless to give the name of disease because every disease epidemic are different to each other. 82. Discovery of chronic diseases are their specific homeopathic remedy, antisoric, real cure is made. In acute diseases, chief symptoms are strike us to become evident to the senses more quickly. Footnote: Direction below the 83 to 104 in only partially applicable to acute disease, or 82 is also important for individualization of the person. Thank you.